Your chance to master English.
Hi, everybody. I am Teacher Vlad in the beautiful English speaking training system. I am a professional English language teacher with more than 10 years of teaching experience currently working in Thailand. Since this course is for complete beginners who start learning speaking English from scratch, I will try to speak slowly. I will also place the text in slides so that you will be able to understand everything I say. If you don't know one or another word, write it down, draw a picture for that word or translate it into your language. Make sentences with that word. It will help you to memorize a word. Most all the students in Thailand and in many other countries cannot read, cannot speak, and cannot understand English at all. Most all the teachers who teach them are native speakers.
Oldest and youngest.
Most all teachers in YouTube are also native speakers. However, there are many comments like these in YouTube. Many English learners cannot start speaking English after many years of learning. Most of my students can read, can speak, and can understand English very well. They practice speaking with my speaking training tools and speaking simulators and get automatic speaking skills.
Make sentence.
Watch this video until the end if you want to know why you still cannot speak English after many years of learning and how you can start speaking English fluently and correctly with beautiful English speaking training tools. The first reason why you cannot start speaking English is because you learn by learning. You try to learn words, grammar, and to listen to teachers at school or in YouTube. Edgar Dale's pyramid shows that we can learn only by doing. We can remember only 10 to 20% of what we read or hear and 90% of what we say and do. Learn by doing. Input-output learning styles. In order we can learn successfully, we should have 3 input parts, listening and reading, and 7 output parts, speaking and writing. While learning English at school or in YouTube, you have 7 or more input parts and only 3 or less output parts. You listen, read, but you don't speak. And it is the reason why you can't speak English after many years of learning. In beautiful English you will have 1 or 2 input parts, overview lesson, short grammar section, and many output or practicing parts. You will practice speaking with color schemes, talking lingua cards, dialogues, speaking tests, quizzes, and you will do writing exercises. That is why students who learn English with beautiful English can read, write, speak, and understand English. You will learn English numbers, how to tell time, about parts of speech and parts of a sentence, singular and plural nouns, how to use articles, how to ask questions and answer positively and negatively. You will also do quizzes, speaking and writing exercises. As you see, it is the best course to start learning speaking English. It is your only chance to master English. Don't miss it. After completing this course, you will be able to make correct English sentences, to understand the elementary English grammar, to understand spoken English on the elementary level, and to speak about your everyday life. So, what are you waiting for? Take this elementary English course and start speaking English right now. See you at my lessons.
Your chance to master English.